Good evening viewers and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Meghalaya government declares 10 districts as green zones, allows inter-district movement, informs Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, saying no transit through East Khasi Hills district. Meghalaya Cabinet approved list of over 1.84 lakh workers for financial aid, appoints retired IAS officer Wilfred Khilep as Commissioner and Secretary of Law Department for 6 months. South Shillong MLA Sunbor Shilai distributed PPE kits, masks, hand sanitizers and donations pouring in for Chief Minister's Relief Fund. And actor Rishi Kapoor passes away at 67. President, Vice President and Prime Minister condole death of Bollywood veteran. Before we proceed with the news in detail, let us start with the good news. All 8 family members of the first COVID-19 victim of the state have been declared corona-free after their test of their samples resulted negative. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma tweeted this after the declaration of test results. 8 positive cases were tested again after 24 hours of their first samples, coming negative as per protocol to completely declare them as recovered. And now for the news in detail. The Meghalaya government has declared 10 of the state's 11 districts as green zones and allowed inter-district movement there. The decision was taken as no COVID-19 cases were reported from these districts. All the 12 COVID-19 cases in the state, including 1 death, have been reported in the state capital that falls under East Khasi Hills district. Barring East Khasi Hills district, all other 10 districts in the state are in the green zone as they have not reported any COVID-19 cases. Confirming this, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong on Thursday said that the inter-district movement have been allowed in the green zones on the condition that people do not transit through East Khasi Hills district, which is the only red zone in the state.
Out of 11 districts, 10 districts is in the green zone. So these 10 districts, government feel that inter-district movement should takes place, and then the order on this account has also already been issued to all the respective deputy commissioners. So they work out the modalities, as I said to you. But of course, the only problem is they cannot pass through the red zone because till today, Shillong agglomeration is the red zone.
Meghalaya Cabinet on Wednesday approved the list of over 1.84 lakh unorganized workers for providing them financial assistance for 3 weeks. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong told reporters that over 1.84 lakh workers are entitled to receive Rs 700 per week per individual, and each will receive a total of Rs 2100 for 3 weeks for a period of March 23rd to April 14th. The Cabinet also approved the extension of time for filing of returns, clearing of taxes for dealers of petrol and petroleum products to May 15th. Cabinet also approved the recommendation on the Personnel Department to appoint retired IAS officer Wilfred Khilep as the Commissioner and Secretary of Law Department for a period of 6 months.
Menta kasngi ngilawanara yaka final list kabapoy silak praposau hajar sispa praposau ngot ka kabinet kala approve ya kaneka list ban disburse len ban sam ya kineki jingarap ke bakerpang ke bangi ai news pa tengka sitayeu ya uwei ulebora ya ka filing of returns but clearing of taxes, sale of petroleum and petroleum products baki day ban clear hapo ka khatsan tarik jong ubnai me ar hajar arpo.
Ribhoi police detected 58 migrant laborers who were trying to cross over to Assam on Tuesday night. They were detained by the state police at Birnihat Screening Center. The group of laborers came from East Jaintia Hills and they were working in Bindihati village in the district, stating that on further questioning it was revealed that they were actually coming from East Jaintia Hills. East Jaintia Hills police sources said an inquiry is being conducted in this regard. It was informed that all the 58 hailed from Bihar and at present they are kept in a quarantine center at Kleriat. Clarifying the matter, Deputy Commissioner of East Jaintia Hills, F.M. Dobth, said that these people were working as carpenters, masons, besides others.
But 58 of them who are camped or who stays at the rented houses, their camps at Bindihati, made an attempt to go to their state, that is Bihar state. We came to know after inquiry that they have gone through these empty vehicles that carries different goods, whether it's gas, whether it's essential goods. They're coming via the Ratashara check gate. So they have been returned, and now they have again been asked to settle at their own camps, at their own.
South Shillong MLA Sanbor Shulai today distributed PPE kits, masks, hand sanitizers, infrared thermometers and bacteria-free tablets to the local community to combat COVID-19. Addressing the program, he said that the ASHA workers and the frontline COVID-19 warriors need to have infrared thermometers device to screen the temperature and will be distributed to them to carry out a survey in COVID-19. Speaking to DD News, Shulai said he distributed this bacteria-free tablet for purification of water and can be used to kill germs.
This one we pointed in the forehead. So what we have seen that most of the poor people, they cannot afford all these materials, and we have come up with the area with the idea, but with my members of the MCIC 19 South Shillong constituency, to distribute the following materials. We are having hand spray, then we're having hand sanitizer, then mask, then bacteria-free tablets, hand gloves, raincoat, PPE kits, screening kits, machine, and goggles.
Meanwhile, the office of the SAME Hima Nongston's aimship on Wednesday donated ₹1 lakh to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund for combating COVID-19 in the state. The check was handed over by the SAME of the Hima Nongston, EP SAME, to the MLA of Nongston, Macmillan Bursat, at the office of the SAME Hima Nongston.
For generously contributing this. On behalf of the government and on behalf of the Chief Minister, I would like to give my special thanks to him and his daughter of Nongston Championship, apart or besides from the service that the HIMA have rendered to the government, particularly the soldier headmen and the Rembashonong in combating the spread of coronavirus in the state of Meghalaya.
The District Agriculture Department distributed 15 power tillers among a few farmers in Jowai, West Jaintia Hills on Tuesday. It was done to promote the use of farming technology during lockdown under Submission on Agricultural Mechanization. Under this scheme, it has been proposed to establish village-level farm machinery bank, custom hiring centers and high-tech hubs in order to facilitate easy availability of agriculture technology, said Assistant Director of Agriculture C. Shabong. Veteran actor Rishi Kapoor passed away in Mumbai today. He was 67. He had been admitted to a city hospital on Wednesday. After the sad demise of the actor, his family has appealed his fans and well-wishers of and friends of the family to respect the law that are in force. A statement issued by the family says that in this hour of personal loss, they also recognize the world is going through a very difficult and troubled time. He received the National Film Award as a child artist for Mera Naam Joka. President Ramnath Kovind, Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi have condoled the demise of Rishi Kapoor. Now let's have a look at the headlines once again. Meghalaya government declares 10 districts as green zones, allows inter-district movement, informs Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, saying no transit through East Khasi Hills district. Meghalaya cabinet approves list of over 1.84 lakh workers for financial aid, appoints retired IAS officer Wilfred Killip as Commissioner and Secretary of Law Department for 6 months. South Shillong MLA Sanbor Shilai distributes PPE kits, masks, hand sanitizer and donation pouring in for Chief Minister's Relief Fund. And actor Rishi Kapoor passes away at 67. President, Vice President and Prime Minister condole death of Bollywood veteran. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.